If your goal is to eat healthy and be intentional about what goes into your body, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how I make plantain flour completely from scratch, from peeling the plantains to drying, blending, sieving, and finally cooking it into a smooth and delicious swallow you will love. To get the best flour, start with fresh firm unripe plantains, okay? Unripe plantains have a higher starch content, which gives your swallow that soft, stretchy, smooth texture. So after getting my plantains, the next thing I did was to wash them thoroughly with clean water. Next is peeling of the plantains, okay? So green plantain can be a bit stubborn, so I made a line across the skin and gently pulled it off. I slice the plantains lengthwise into long flat pieces. This method helps them dry faster and more evenly because each slices has a larger surface area. And next is drying, and to achieve this, I arrange the slices on a clean tray, making sure they didn't overlap. You can dry them using two methods, okay? So for sun drying, place them under direct sunlight for about 3 to 4 days until they become hard and crisp. And if the weather isn't friendly, put them in your oven on low heat, about 50 to 70 degrees, and let them dry slowly. Once the slices are well dried, the next thing I did was to blend it. To achieve this, I use a commercial blending machine in my area, but you can also blend it using a good blender if you have one, okay? So if you are using a blender, make sure you blend them in small batches. Keep blending until you get a fine powdery texture. And once you are done with blending, the next thing to do is to sieve it, okay? So to achieve that soft professional texture, I pass the blended powder through a sieve. So whatever quartz particle remained will not be added to the smooth powder. Once the flour became perfectly smooth, I poured it into an airtight container, okay? Plantain flour keeps well for months if stored away from heat and moisture. It's healthy, gluten-free, and perfect for swallow, baby meals, and even baking. So to make the swallow is very easy. I started by heating a small amount of water, okay? So as the water warmed up, I sprinkled the plantain flour gradually while stirring continuously. This is the secret to avoiding lumps, okay? Sprinkle and turn, sprinkle and turn. As it thickened, I kept turning until it formed a smooth, stretchy dough. If it gets too soft, add more flour. If it becomes too firm, sprinkle in a little hot water and keep turning. Once smooth, I added a little bit of water and allowed it to steam on low heat for about 3 minutes. Then gave it one final turn, okay? Just look how smooth and beautiful it is. It is perfect for any soup. And that's how I made plantain flour from scratch, all the way to this soft, delicious swallow. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please tell me in the comments which flour recipe you want next. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.